Hey guys, Ella here from Zik, and in this video I'm going to go over how to dropship from Amazon to eBay in 2020 using the amazing tools Zik Analytics has to offer. We're going to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then jump into the live examples. So let's go ahead and get started. How to dropship from Amazon to eBay in 2020. How the dropshipping from Amazon to eBay model works. Find selling opportunities on eBay. Source a similar or same product from Amazon. List the product on eBay. Once you make a sale, copy the address of the buyer and order the item from Amazon directly to the buyer's address. How to find winning products on Amazon to sell on eBay. The best way to get started is on Amazon.com and then moving to the competitor research analysis. So step 1 is find dropshippers who use Amazon as a supplier. Step 2, check out their best-selling items with at least 5 sales and no more than 10 competitors. And step 3, list the product to eBay with an optimized title. Let's now jump into the live example part of this video. Alright guys, so now jumping into the example on Amazon.com. The first thing you're going to want to do here is make sure that your location is the United States. And how you're going to do that, you're just going to type in a US zip code. You may use this one that we use for Zik Analytics. Once you type it in, you can go ahead and click apply, and then after that, click on done. This will ensure that all of the items have the correct cost when it comes to delivery and shipping costs for the United States. Now you're going to go ahead and select a category, and you may do that by clicking on all. For this example, we're going to select the baby category and then we're going to click on search. Now once here in the baby category, all the way on the left, you have subcategories. For this example, we're going to select baby care. Now here what you're going to do is you're going to find any item at any price. It really doesn't matter. And then you're going to go ahead and copy the title. Let's use this product here for the example. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and copy the title, and then you're going to jump into the Zik Analytics product research. Now here in the Zik Analytics product research, you're going to want to make sure that your shipping location is under United States. And to do that, you're going to go ahead and go into settings, click on my settings. And in my settings, you're going to go under search preferences. And for shipping location, you're going to select the United States and save the preference. Now you're going to go back to the product research and all of your preferences will be saved. Also, if you have the Zik booster, you're going to want to change your country to the United States as well, just by clicking on this drop down, select United States, and then select on save. Now once you have all your settings, you're going to paste the title of the product that we found here on Amazon, and you're going to go ahead and click on search. Now we're going to get all of the same products that are being sold from Amazon to eBay. Once you have your results, you're going to select all and click on Zik selection. Now the stats do not matter at all at this time. What does matter is the product list and the drop shippers. So you're going to scroll down to the product list. Now here we have the sellers. You can always scan each seller. We have their feedback score, the number of times the product has sold, the image of the product, as well as the title, and of course here you have the prices. So what you want to do is you want to look for a product that's being sold at a higher price. So you have the second item here selling for $25, but you also want to take into consideration the feedback score of the seller. In this case, we have 1 as a feedback score. So we're going to go ahead and avoid this one and find another one. This one here is selling for $29.75. It does have 0 sales, but check out the feedback score for this seller. So what we're going to do is we're going to scan the seller by clicking on scan seller icon, and it's going to open up a new tab. Here you're going to get all of this seller stats. Then you're going to scroll down to his product list to look for some products to sell from Amazon to eBay. You're going to look for products that have at least 5 sales and no more than 10 competitors. I also want to mention this green target button here. So we have this movie that's being sold by this seller for $13.95 on eBay. Now when you click on this green target, it will automatically show you the eBay product as well as the Amazon product. And it actually calculates the profit for you. So you can always save this item if you're interested in selling it. But if the item does not have this green target and it has this red plus sign, and you're maybe interested in selling the product, so let's say this item here, it's a Max Air vent cover, translucent Max Air RV protects your RV 1-pack. Sold 7 times in the last 30 days, which is good because we always look for a minimum of 5 sales, and 6 competitors, which is also good. We don't want to go over 10 competitors. And the price is at $48.95, which is also a great thing to look for when looking for a product to sell from Amazon to eBay. So let's say you're interested in this product and you want to search for it on Amazon. You're going to go ahead and click on this red cross. Then you're going to go ahead and click on the Amazon icon here, which will search the title on Amazon. And as you can see right away, the product does come up. You're going to go ahead and click on the title to get a little bit more information. So here you can see that this item is being sold for $29.90. Going back to Zik Analytics, you can go ahead and click on the title, which will open it up on eBay so you can get more information. Here on eBay, it's selling for $48.95. So there's a good $10 to $11 profit on this item. Here on Amazon, you should also check if it ships from and sold by Amazon. Because as dropshippers, in case you do come across some complications, it's always easier just to have one contact to deal with when it comes to resolving some of the situations, in case you do run into any. So now you found the eBay product as well as the Amazon product, and you probably want to save this item. So what you're going to do is you're going to jump into Amazon and you're going to select this code right here, and you're going to go ahead and copy it, and you're going to go back to Zik Analytics where you actually found this, and you're going to go ahead and just paste that code right there. Then you're going to click on reload, and there you have it. Once you put the item here, it estimates your profit, which like I said is about a $10 to $11 profit. In this case, $11.41 for every sold item, which is great. You can go ahead and save that item and it will be saved for later on. Now once you've done all of this, the next thing you're going to want to do is build a great title for your product. And let me show you how you're going to do that. So now that we actually found the product on Amazon, we can tell that there is a good profit by selling it on eBay. The next thing to do is build a title for this product. And how you're going to do that, you're going to go back into Zik Analytics and you're going to click on this title builder here. You're going to select some of the keywords from the title. So it's a vent cover, and we're just going to go ahead and add RV to the title. And here you're going to go back and you're going to paste this and add any other keywords you believe are important. And then you're going to go ahead and click on search. Now this will give you long tail keywords as well as generic keyword ideas to use in your title. What's great about this title builder, it also gives you the average amount of searches for each keyword, the competition for each long tail keyword, as well as the number of sales. Same goes for generic keyword ideas, average searches, as well as sales. Now building your title with the title builder is super easy. You're just going to go ahead and select any long tail keywords or short tail keywords, and as you can see, every time I click on something, it builds the title up here at the top. And then once you do have your title, you're just going to go ahead and copy it and then go ahead and paste it to your product title. And this is super important because this title builder really helps you to get your product up higher on the first page of eBay, which in return gives you more sales. All right, guys, so to wrap up this video, we have some important tips. When on Amazon.com, make sure to use a US zip code. Make sure the item you do find ships from Amazon or is sold by Amazon. Always look for items that have a higher sales price. This will more often than not mean more profit. Also, I would like to take the opportunity to extend an invitation for you to join our free course that will teach you step by step how to create your eBay account all the way to finding and selling your first items. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. That way you can get notified on every new video that we post. Thanks guys, have a good one. Stay safe and see you next time.